Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so today I will discuss incidence matrix. Right. Let me start from here. Incidence matrix. Okay, so this one incidence matrix. Last lecture I discussed number A incidence matrix for undirected graph. Okay, undirected graph. So last lecture I told you if there is undirected graph and has n vertices and m edges. Just, wait. Not this. Sorry. Just wait. Before this, there is adjacency matrix. This one. Adjacency matrix. Okay. Last lecture I discussed this one. Matrix representation of a graph. This one number one. Adjacency matrix. Okay. Adjacency matrix. So number A. Adjacency matrix for undirected graph. Okay. Last lecture I discussed this. So the adjacency matrix of a graph G with n vertices and no parallel edges is n by n matrix. Last lecture I told you if there are n vertices and no parallel edges, then you will get n by n adjacency matrix, n by n. Okay. And how to write elements of this matrix? You will write 1 if there is an edge between I and j. Okay, it means what? If there is edge मौजूद, you will write 1. If there is no edge between I and j, you will write 0. Okay. Number B, adjacency matrix for directed graph. Directed. Same here. If there are n vertices, then you will get n by n matrix. Okay, n by n adjacency matrix. So if arc is in G, arc यानी if there is edge मौजूद, then you will write 1. Otherwise you will write 0. Okay, elements you will write this. If edge मौजूद, then you will write 1. If there is no edge, then you will write 0. Okay. So now come to the question, then it will be clear. See this question. See this example. Any problem? Any problem? Do you have any problem? Some. Okay. Right. Okay. Now see this one. See this question. See this question now. This example. Find the adjacency matrix for the graph, for this graph. You have to find adjacency matrix for this graph. Okay. So see the solution here. The matrix is, look how to find. First you see here how many vertices. Here vertex v1, v2, v3 and v4. There are four vertices. Okay. How many vertices? 4. Then matrix you will get, there are 4 vertices here. 4 vertices. 4 vertices. Right. Then you will get 4 by 4 matrix. You will get 4 by 4 matrix. 4 by 4 matrix. Right. 4 by 4 matrix. And how will you get 4 by 4 matrix? Look over here. 4 vertices here v1. Right here v1. v1, v2, v3 and v4. Here write v1, v2, v3 and v4. This way. Now look. First you see this v1 and this v2. v1, v2 no edge, yani hada. This point, this vertex. v1, v1 no edge. So you will write 0. This. And then you write, see this v1, v2. This v1 and this v2. v1, v2 yani this v1 and this v2. There is edge, hada edge. Edge मौजूद. Then you will 1 here. After that, see this v1 and v3. So v1 here and v3 here. v3 here. See. So between v1 and v3 here edge मौजूद. Here मौजूद edge. Then you will write 1 here. After that, so further v1 and v4. v1, v4. So v1 here and v4 here. And between these here edge मौजूद. hada मौजूद edge. So you will write 1. Edge मौजूद up to 1. Okay. So first you start from here v1, 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 v2, v1, v3 and v1, v4. Right. Now start from this v2. Where is v2? You start from here v2 and then v1, v2, v1. Okay. So v2 here and v1 here. So edge मौजूद here. v2, v1 edge मौजूद. So you will write here 1. Okay. After that you see v2, here v2 and here v2. v2, v2. v2, v2 any the same point no edge yani up to 0. Now see this v2 and this v3 v2 yani this one v2 v3 here edge मौजूद. So v2 v3 edge मौजूद. So here 1. Now v2 let me write here. Just wait 2 minutes. Just wait. Muhammad Nasir, just wait 2 minutes. There is problem in computer. Hang. I am starting again, computer. Okay, I am starting again. Just wait. Don't go anywhere. इंतजार हाँ इंतजार